Welcome to the ProjectNote video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ProjectNote on a computer that's running Windows 8 or 8.1 and Microsoft OneNote 2013. Let's get started. We've downloaded the ProjectNote install file to our desktop. Select that file, and the ProjectNote install will begin. Select Next, and the ProjectNote user agreement appears. Be sure to read the agreement prior to your acceptance and installation. Select I agree with the above terms and conditions. Enter the product name, company name, and registration code that was provided to you in an email when you purchased ProjectNote. Select Next, and you'll be asked the location on your hard drive where to store ProjectNote. We'll select Next. That directory doesn't exist, but ProjectNote will create it for you, so we'll select Yes, and then select Start to begin the install. And ProjectNote has been successfully installed, and we'll exit. And the ProjectNote Project Control dashboard opens up. There are two main areas of the project controller that you need to be familiar with. One you'll use quite often. Along the left-hand column are the tabs to create a new project or opening an existing project. You can also watch video tutorials on how to use ProjectNote. You can open up the user manual, view the license agreement, or go to the ProjectNote website to view additional products and upcoming releases. In the main screen of the project controller, there are several areas and tabs that we encourage you to explore to use your ProjectNote more effectively and to stay current with new updates and provide feedback or contact support. Now let's go to the top of the screen and let's create a new project notebook. It's important that all of your new project notebooks be created from the project controller. To maintain the links and associations that have been created within ProjectNote to help you control the project. Let's select that tab. And our Project A&E notebook that we downloaded is now ready to be unpacked in the Microsoft OneNote 2013 engine. Let's change the name of our notebook. And we're going to leave the path in the default setting. You can change this path very easily by selecting Browse to install the notebook in another location that you choose, most likely on a shared server or terminal server for other ProjectNote users to access and use. Let's select Create. And the Microsoft OneNote engine will unpack the ProjectNote workbook. We can see that all the files of ProjectNote have now been installed. And our new Project Z workbook is ready to work with. Let's change our view. And now the entire project dashboard is open and ready for use. Now I'm going to show you how to work with the ProjectNote Project Controller when you have a project workbook open. Let's drag our file down to minimize it. And then let's select our project controller. So both screens are open at the same time. This is a great way to work, as you'll see, because then you can access any of the control tabs to create a new project, open existing ones, or watch tutorials if you need, right while you're working in the project notebook. Let's close our Project C. Right-click, close this notebook. You can see our section is now empty. We have no notebooks open, but our project note is still running. Let's go ahead and close that. And let's go to our project controller and select Open Existing Project. Right-click, Open Existing Project Workbook, and we've got a choice for which Microsoft engine of OneNote we're running. Since we're running 2013, select Open using Microsoft OneNote 2013, and our Microsoft engine opens up. All we've got to do now is go to File, Open, and select our notebook. And we can see that all the files and all the project information have all been loaded and are ready to work with. I highly recommend that you watch our other ProjectNote video tutorials on how to use ProjectNote. It's a great jump start on storing, managing, and finding all your project information. Until next time, remember, when you control the project information, you control the project.